Hello everyone, this is Imran Ali here. Welcome back to our channel. And today we are going to talk about a very interesting topic which is called how to create a real estate website with WordPress, right? So right now you can see we are at the WordPress website and we are at the dashboard. So we need to have two plugins to get access to create a website and accordingly to real estate websites, right? So we need two plugins. We are going over here, as you can see on the left side there are so many options over here. We are going at plugins and click on add new. Once you click on add new, you will end up over here and you can add so many plugins, but we are going to search for two. The first one is you need to search for extra and after that download this one and install this one actually. Starter templates, Elementor, WordPress and Beaver builder templates. So this will provide so many templates for real estate websites, and to edit those websites we need Elementor, as you can see over here. So we are going to search for Elementor and wait for it. Here we are, Elementor website builder. So we need to install that and activate that also. So we need both of them and we need to activate both of them. So after that, after installing them and activating them, go to install plugins and all of the plugins will be over here, whatever you have done it before. So you need to find starter templates, right? So we need to find templates. So scroll down and you can see there is starter templates. Right down below you can see C library. Click on C library and it will take you right over there where we are going to find out our website, like a real estate website we are going to create, right? So select the page builder. So which page builder you are using right now, you're gonna use for those templates, right? So we have obviously blog editor and Elementor. We are going to use Elementor, so click on it and here we are. So you can see there are multiple categories which we can choose, like e-commerce, blog and community and personal sites like portfolio and CV. So there's a lot of them, but we need to find real estate, right? So real estate is a business, so we are at business right now and we can just look ahead and we can find that real estate is over here, right? So click on real estate and you will find so many templates out here, but there are some premium over, like you can see on the top right of every single page there are some premium version also which you need to buy, and obviously they will ask for money, right? So just leave them if you don't want to do, obviously you can edit them later if you want to create something like this. So you can just create and edit them. So right now you can see that there are multiple website have been like templates are here. So for this tutorial I'm just going with this normal one over here. Click on it and here we are. So you can see that we can upload our file over here and like logo, we can upload our logo over here and we can set the like logo width over here. So I'm just going to skip this and continue. Colors, how many colors and what colors you want, like you can see these are the different colors you want to choose, and what are the fonts you want to have on your website. They are providing you over here like multiple fonts over here, and just continue. After that, okay, just one last step. Tell us a little bit about yourself. So just enter every single thing and then click on submit and build. So I'm just gonna do that very quick. So it might take some time, but in my opinion it would take some like 5 minutes maximum. So as you can see, this has already done over here, so it's done. So just wait for it and here we are, voila. So click on view your website. So here we are, as you can see we have created our website. So right now we need to edit, just suppose we need to edit, right? So we got our templates and we have chosen our colors and the fonts and every single thing, but we need to edit more of things and we need to do some settlings, right? So just click on edit Elementor over here. So we have edit Elementor, if you remember that. Just click on edit with Elementor and it will take us right over there where we are going to edit those websites. So here we are, as you can see if we are going to scroll every single thing over here, obviously we are going to edit that. Just remember that every single thing over here we can edit, and every single image we can change. And on the left side we have more elements. What are elements? We can add them. So if we need some heading right over here, so just click and drag over here, and you can, what we can do, like add over here, uh and edit, add something over here, like add something. So this is all on you, what you are going to add and what are you going to, align them, and how you are going to do that. So this is all on you. So if you want to change the background color, and if you want to change the fonts especially, and you can do that too, site settings. And if we scroll down more, you can see that we need to change a lot of things over here, and we can change it, like global colors, what colors you want, global fonts, if you want to change every single font right away, just do that. And typography, buttons, if you want to add buttons like this, you can also do that. Images, obviously form fields, and site identity, background layout, new layout, if you want page transition. So there's a lot of things which you can do at edit with like editing with Elementor, in my opinion. And you can add, just what you need to do is just click and drag. And obviously Google Map is also integrated with WordPress, and they would allow you to, provide you the very exact location with the pinpoint. So in my opinion, this is how you are going to edit your pictures. And if you want to edit something about here, like you need to edit something or you want to delete something, just click on over here on this small box on the top left corner, and just click on delete. Or you want to copy it, or you want to delete it, and or you want to add new column over here. This is column, right? So you can also do that. Click on over here, you can see that we can delete whole this section over here. We can add section over here, obviously, and we can see like edit section. So if we scroll down, these are some pro things which you can do, and these are locked, and unfortunately, but obviously we have a lot of things over here. If you go global, I have shown you like how it looks like, theme builder, user preferences. After all of that, you can just go ahead and click on view page, how it will look like, and click on exit, and that's it. So this is all you need to know, how you are going to create your website and every single thing, and how you can create and edit a real estate website through WordPress. Thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand that, and just go ahead and publish this website, right? So thank you for watching this video. I hope you understand every single thing. Thank you, and bye bye.